Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Gatorade Gx Bottle Marble set available on the market. This bundle includes two 30-ounce refillable squeeze bottles, one in marble black and the other in marble blue. Designed to keep you hydrated while you push your limits, these bottles are more than just containers. They are a customizable hydration platform tailored to fuel your game. The Gatorade Gx Marble bottles stand out because of their innovative design that lets you personalize your hydration experience. Each bottle works with Gatorade's unique formula pods, allowing you to add water, insert your choice of formula pod, and fuel up on the go. Whether you're hitting the gym, the field, or the trail, these bottles provide a seamless way to stay hydrated with the flavor and electrolytes you need. The marble pattern on these bottles isn't just for aesthetics. It represents team spirit with its striking marble black and marble blue colors. Plus, they come with customizable ID rings so you can make each bottle your own or easily spot yours among teammates. Functionality-wise, these bottles offer a 30-ounce capacity, which is just the right size to keep you hydrated without being too bulky. They feature a non-slip grip, making them comfortable to hold during intense workouts or competitions. The squeeze bottle design ensures quick and easy hydration without fuss, so you can stay focused on your performance. Another key aspect is the refillable nature of these bottles, which supports sustainability by reducing single-use plastic waste. The bottles are durable and built to withstand the rigors of active lifestyles. If you're serious about hydration and want a product that merges convenience, customization, and style, the Gatorade Gx Marble bottles deliver exactly that. The bundle price also offers great value, giving you two bottles for less than buying them separately. So, whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who just wants a reliable and stylish water bottle, the Gatorade Gx Marble Black and Blue refillable squeeze bottles are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews and insights.